Welcome everyone. First we open the Handbrake software, grab the video file from the video folder and we drop it on the Handbrake, waiting for it to process. Then we navigate to the video tab. We adjust the value to reach 27. Then we click browse, choose folder and rename the final result. Then we start encoding, waiting for the bar to be filled. On this time, please like, share and subscribe for my channel. Now after it's finished, we go back to the folder and as we can see the size of the rendered file and the original file. Please subscribe to find my quickest tutorials that save you time.